morning students. Now today we will see our fifth lesson, that is multiplication. See your page number 73. You can see very beautiful flowers are given on this page. So we can count that flower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 4 lines of these 5 flowers. Okay, so how we can write that? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How much? 20. Okay, suppose, and these flowers we can write as 4 multiplied by 5 equal to how much? 20. That is called as product. Whenever we say multiply this number with this number, suppose we say multiply 5 number with 2 number. So what we do? 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are how much? 10. So what is the answer of that multiplication? That answer is called as product. You remember this word. Okay, so this 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20. What is given here? See, this 4 is our factor, this 5 is our factor, and this 20 is our product. 4 multiplied by 5. 4, this first 4 is called as multiplicand and this 5 is called as multiplier. जिस नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो नंबर को हम बोलते हैं मल्टीप्लायर, और जो भी हमारा आंसर आएगा उसे हम बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट. सो 4 5 20. हमारा 20 क्या हुआ? फिर हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट हुआ. ओके, नाउ सी योर पेज नंबर 74. On this page number 74, exercise 5.1 is given. So this first example is already shown in your textbook. What is given in this A example? 2 stars are given in one box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. How many groups are there? Groups means what? Here we can say these boxes. This one box is called as one group. So 3 groups. How many groups are there? 3. 3 groups are there. How many stars? 2 stars. In one box, how many stars are there? 2 stars are there. 2, 2, 2. Okay. So how we can write in the addition form? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And in multiplication form, how we can write? 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay. So here also we have to do this B question now. What is given in this B question? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. This one box is called as one group. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So you write down here 3 groups of how many stars are there? 4 each. Means in each box how many stars are there? 4 stars are there. So how we can write here? 3 groups of 4 each. Okay. And in addition form, how you will write? 4 plus 4 plus 4. How much? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. Now in multiplication form, we have to write 3 multiplied by 4. How many groups are there? 3. And how many stars are there? 4. So we have to write down as 3 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 12. Means if we write like this, then also our answer will this 12 number. And if we write in the multiplication form, then also our answer will be 12. Okay. That means we can write in this way also and in that way also. Now see question. What is given here? How many groups are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to write here 4 groups of How many stars are given in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each group, 6 stars are there. So we have to write 4 groups of 6 each. Okay. So in addition form, how we can write? See here, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, how much? 24. Okay. Now in the multiplication form, how you will write? 6 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 6 fours are how much? 24. So you write down like this in your textbook. So properly you write down these answers in your textbook. Now see second question. Write in addition form. Multiplication in multiplication form already given in your textbook. So we have to write down in addition form. So first is given. See, 4 multiplied by 3. That is in the multiplication form. And in addition form, how they are writing? This 3 number for 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. अभी ये जो सेकेंड वाला नंबर है ना, जो भी ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन के बाद वाला नंबर है ना, वो हमको ये फर्स्ट जो नंबर है उतनी टाइम लिखना है इन द एडिशन फॉर्म, है ना। जैसे हमने 3 को 4 टाइम्स लिखा, अभी हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 2 को 8 टाइम्स लिखेंगे. सो यू राइट डाउन 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. If you want, you can draw these scales so that you can write properly in your textbook. So with the help of your scale and pencil, you first draw these straight lines and then write down the answers. Okay. Now see question is what? 7 multiplied by 4. Again this second number we have to write down whatever number is given in the first, that times we have to write down that number. So this we have to write down 4 plus 4. We have to write down 4 for 7 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So like this you will write in your textbook. Now see D question. 5 multiplied by 10. So which number we have to write down in the addition form? We have to write down this 10 number. How many times we have to write down? 5 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write down this 10 number for 5 times. Okay. Now see E question. 6 multiplied by 9. So this second number, what is our second number? 9. This 9 number we have to write down for the 6 times. So write down 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is called as addition form. Both the answers, if we do, see here, 4 3s are 12. And 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Means in multiplication form and in addition form, if we see, answers are equal. Answers are same. Okay. So properly you write down all these answers in your textbook. Now see third example, third question. Write in multiplication form. Here what is given and in addition form they have given, and we have to write down in the multiplication form. So first is given already. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is there? 4 times. So we will write 4 first and then we will write 2 number. 2s are 8. Okay. Now see B question. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times 3 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 multiplied by 3. Okay. Then C question. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many times 7 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 7 is given. So we will write 5 multiplied by 7. Okay. Now see D question. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times 8 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 8 is given. So we will write 7 multiplied by 8. Here also, if we do in the addition form, what is the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 4 2s are 8. Both the answers are equal. Okay. If we do in the addition form and if we do in the multiplication form, both the answers are equal. So, you draw first this straight line with the help of your scale and pencil and then write down these answers properly in your textbook. Now see page number 75. On this page number 75, we can see ducks. Very beautiful ducks are given. And what is given here? Repeated addition and 2 times table. So in this first line, what is given? 2 ducks. Repeated addition 2. 2 ones are 2. Now see 2 plus 2. How much? 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 6. 3 twos are 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 8. 4 twos are 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 10. 5 twos are 10. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 12. 6 twos are 12. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 14. 7 twos are 14. Then 2 plus 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 2. 8. How many is are? See, 2 8s are 16. Now see here 8 twos are 16. 2 plus 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 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 twos are 18. 2 plus 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 2. 2 10 times. Means how many ducks are there? 20. 10 twos are 20. Table of 2 is given here. Okay. Now see your page number 76. So 1 twos are 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2. So like this 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. So, nothing but the table of 2. Okay. Now, see here what is given? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called as column. And from this side, multiplication sign is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the rows. Okay. If we want the multiplication of 3 multiplied by 5, we want to find out first this row 3 and then column 5. This column 3 multiplied by 5. How much? 50. So like this we have to do all these sums here. Okay. Now see 2 multiplied by 5. Then how will you write? See here. This 2. This is called as row. What is this? Row. and these are the column. So first example is given in your textbook, 2 multiplied by 5. So where is 2? This is 2. Multiply by 5. How much? 2 multiplied by 5. How much? 10. So you write down there 10. Okay. Then second question is what? 3 multiplied by 7. So where is 3? C. 3 multiplied by 7. So in this column, find out 7. 3 multiplied by 7. What is the answer? 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Then third example is what? 4 multiplied by 3. So find out 4. 4 multiplied by 3. So 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are how much? 12. So you write down here 12. Now see fourth question. 6 multiplied by 3. So this 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are how much? 18. So you write down here 18. Then fifth question is what? 9 multiplied by 5. Where is 9? See here. 9 multiplied by 5. 9 5s are how much? 45. So you write down 45. Then sixth question is what? 10 multiplied by 9. Where is 10? See 10. 10 multiplied by 9. 10 9s are how much? 90. So you write down here answer 90. Then seventh question is 4 multiplied by 7. So where is 4? See here 4. 4 multiplied by 7. 4 7s are how much? 28. So you write down here 28. So you should know all these tables properly first. Then only you can write down these answers. Okay. Then what is the this? 4 7s are 28. Then 8th question is what? 8 multiplied by 10. So where is 8? 8 multiplied by 10. So 8 10s are how much? 80. Okay. Then 9th question is 9 multiplied by 9. So where is 9? See 9. 9 multiplied by 9. 9 9s are 81. So you write down there 81. Then 10th question is what? 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. Where is 5? 3 5s are how much? 15. So you write down there 15. Okay. Then 11th question is what? 6 multiplied by 8. 6, where is 6? 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are how much? 48. So you write down there 48. Then 12th question is 10 multiplied by 10. Where is 10? 10 multiplied by 10. 10 10s are 100. Okay. Now see 13th question. 7 multiplied by 9. Where is 7? 7. 7 multiplied by 9. 7 9s are 63. Then 2 multiplied by 9. Where is 2? 2. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 9s are 18. Multiply by 9. This 2 multiply by 9. How much? 2 9s are 18. Then 1 multiply by 8. This 1 multiply by 8. So 8 1s are 8. Okay. Then 16th question is 3 multiply by 8. Where is 3? 3 multiply by. Then 17th question is 5 multiplied by 6. Where is 5? This 5. Multiply by, where is 6? this 6. 5 6 the 30. So you write down here 30. Then 18th question is 6 multiplied by 6. Where is 6? 6 multiplied by this 6. 6 6 the 36. Then 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4 the 16. Then 3 multiplied by 3. This 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 the 9. Okay. So properly you complete all these answers in your textbook. Now see page number 78, exercise 5.3. What is given in this exercise? Write the first 5 multiples of. So what is the meaning of first 5 multiple? First 5 multiple means we have to write down this table up to 5. Like for example, see 3. So write 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 50. Okay. So like this you have to complete all these questions. So second is what? 5. So start table of 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 50, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25. Okay. Then here 7. So start table of 7. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35. Okay. Then table of 8. 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 5 are 40. Like this. Then 9. Start table of 9. 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36, 9 5 are 45. Then 10. 10 1 are 10, 20, 30, 10 4 are 40, 10 5 are 50. Then 4. So start table of 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20. Then 1. So start table of 1. Table of 1 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2. Table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Very simple. You have to write down tables up to 5 number. Okay. So properly you write down in your textbook. Now see second question. Write 10 multiples of. What is given here? 4 between 10 and 50. Now see 4 between. अभी 4 का टेबल हमें लिखना है, लेकिन उसमें क्या करना है? 10 और 50 के बीच में जो नंबर्स है वहाँ तक ही हमें ये लिखना है. तो हम 4 का टेबल कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं? 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. अभी हम 8 भी यहाँ पर नहीं लिख सकते. क्यों? बिकॉज सी बिटवीन 10 एंड 50 मतलब नंबर लिखने हैं, लेकिन वो 10 से आगे होने चाहिए और 50 के पहला नंबर 50 से पहले होना चाहिए. और जो नंबर हमें लिखना है वो 10 से आगे जो नंबर है वो लिखना है. तो हम यहाँ पर 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 ये नंबर नहीं लिख सकते. फिर इसके बाद में क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 3 जा हाउ मच? 12. 4 3 जा 12. तो 12 जो है वो 10 के बाद में आता है. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट? 4 3 जा 12. देन 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 7 जा 28, 4 8 जा 32, 4 9 जा 36, 4 10 जा 40, 4 10 जा 40, 4 10 जा 40 हम लोग बोलते हैं. और फिर उसके आगे +4 हम लोग कर सकते हैं. 40 + 4 हाउ मच? 44. 44 + 4 हाउ मच 48. ओके, अभी कितने नंबर्स हुए काउंट करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. और हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था, राइट 10 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ. और नंबर्स कहाँ से कहाँ तक चाहिए थे, 10 से आगे के और 50 के पहले, मतलब 48 जो नंबर है वो 50 के पहले का नंबर है ना. तो ये हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. अभी जो 11 क्वेश्चन है उसमें क्या दिया है, 7 बिटवीन 13 एंड 85. 7 का टेबल लिखना है, लेकिन कहाँ से आगे होना चाहिए नंबर, 13 के आगे से नंबर आना चाहिए और 85 के पहले तक वो पहले का नंबर आना चाहिए. ओके, तो 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14 ये 13 के आगे वाला नंबर है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पर 14 लिख सकते हैं. सो राइट डाउन 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 7 7 जा 49, 7 8 जा 56, 7 9 जा 63, then 7 10 जा 70, 7 9 जा 63, 7 10 जा 70, देन 7 10 जा 70 हो गया. अभी उसके आगे 70 प्लस 7 कितने होंगे, 77, और 77 प्लस 7 कितने होंगे, 84. अभी नंबर्स काउंट करो कितने हुए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और यहाँ तक 11 हुए, है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था, 7 बिटवीन 13 एंड 85. अभी 85 के पहले का नंबर जहाँ तक हमको नहीं मिलेगा, हमको वहाँ तक नंबर लिखने हैं. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पर ये आंसर ऐसे ही टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है. सो कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक.